But even if you haven't noticed any serious swelling, my techniques will still help you. I literally did it for 1-2 minutes. Look, do you see how this cheek looks? This one is more lifted, while this one looks heavier. When people see their chubby cheeks, the first thing they think is that they need to go on a diet and lose weight. But when they lose weight, they see that their cheeks don't go away, because big cheeks are not always associated with excess weight. And today I'm going to tell you about this. I'll also show you exercises that will make you feel like your cheeks start to deflate right away. Now let's briefly talk about the causes. Why do chubby cheeks occur? First of all, of course, excess weight increases the subcutaneous fat that's under the skin and the cheeks get bigger. But often there's a situation where the subcutaneous fat isn't actually thick, but a lot of fluid accumulates here. Why does it accumulate? Because behind the subcutaneous fat, there are fascia, muscles, and bones. And if you look at this picture, the vessels are shown in green. The drainage of fluid goes from the surface layers inward. Imagine that if the muscles, fascia, and bones here are tense, it leads to fluid accumulating in the subcutaneous fat. But how can I tell if I just have a chubby cheek or if it's puffy? If you notice chronic puffiness in the mornings, your face becomes puffy and may look pale or gray. You feel, how liquid accumulates here, such heaviness. This indicates that you have chronic edema. If it is just pronounced subcutaneous tissue, then you will not notice that you have some kind of excess. There is swelling. You'll just have slightly puffier cheeks, but they'll be soft and elastic. But even if you haven't detected any serious swelling, my techniques will still help you reduce it a little. Cheeks. And now I'm going to show you a magical technique that will instantly help you get rid of cheek puffiness. But in reality, you need to understand that you have to work on the causes, not just the symptoms. Swelling on the face is a symptom, and the causes are deeper. They are located in the bones of the skull, in the neck, in the fascia, in the internal. Only a holistic approach to the entire body allows you to heal and restore your whole body so that swelling goes away, vision improves, and the internal organs function better.
Want to lift your face? Join my 5-day program. Just 15 minutes a day, and you will look 5 years younger, without injections or surgery. All details in the description.
Show you a magical technique. You'll need a glove for that. Well, you can actually wash your hand and use a clean finger to slide it behind your cheek. And what are we going to do? We're going to do some rubbing. So you're looking at this picture and you can see the layers. We're grabbing the skin, the subcutaneous tissue, and the muscle. Just for fun, feel your cheek. Notice its density, how heavy it is, and how easily it lifts up. You can even look in the mirror because there will be magic. If you do this technique for a few minutes, you'll see that your cheek will start to literally shrink right away. And I use my thumb, so you put it in your mouth behind your cheek, and the fingers of your other hand are on the outside. You start to do some rubbing along the finger. And you go right into the cheek where you can reach with your finger and you begin to knead. I'll place my finger, see, it's falling, and I start with another finger. I'm rubbing and moving like this. I start from the ear, then I move closer and closer to the corner of the mouth. It's a wonderful feeling. I can feel my cheek starting to burn. I literally feel it. I close my eyes and I can feel my cheekbone and all the tissues. They kind of tightened up here, and when I touch it, this cheek has become so soft. Such a pleasant feeling, literally. It became lighter and kind of deflated a bit. So, make sure to do the technique and repeat it on the other side. And look, I've literally done this for 1 or 2 minutes. Look at how this cheek looks. It's more lifted. It feels heavier. Here you go. There are also techniques that can quickly reduce puffiness in the face. Please share with me and with my other subscribers. As Dr. Alice was in the comments with you, like and subscribe. See you next time.